Hey world, welcome to my very first episode of this series. I'm Monica with Weekend Warrior TX, and you'll also be seeing a lot of my very camera shy husband, Colt. When you wake up in Ireland, you're gonna be 29 years old.
Yeah.
You ready?
1 year away from dirty 30.
So before WHO declared a pandemic and half of the world shut down, I was taking some advice but also scouring the internet for the best travel deals that I could possibly find. Colt's birthday was coming up and I just felt like he deserved something super epic. So I set a super strict budget for ourselves and finally booked us a 9-day trip. But I'm gonna tell you the best part. It only cost us $1,500 each. And you're not gonna believe this, but that also includes our flights, a rental car, and all of our hotels. Welcome home, baby. So, where in the world did we go? Keep watching and take a flight with us, but first, see how we got our budget and bags ready for our first real trip as a couple. Okay, you guys, it is the day after Valentine's Day. So this is our first video as we prep to go to Europe. And we are going to go to the Coinstar to cash in some coins so we can have some extra spending money. So before we left, we got a visit from my in-laws and their new ride. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and the new ride didn't stay in our garage, but we'll try to work something out. For now, we took a short drive to our local pharmacy to cash in our coins. Okay, we are at Kroger, and we are going to cash in our coins. Let's go. Okay, Coinstar time. So for those of you that don't know, Coinstar is a service that you can use where they exchange your coins for cash. Just use the machine, get your receipt, and take your receipt to the counter. And if you have more time, you can also roll up your change the old-fashioned way and take it to your bank to avoid those sneaky fees. I think it's gonna be, I'm gonna say like close to $100, like 75, 100. What about you? What's your guess?
Over $150. You probably hear this on the other side of the
I thought it was gonna be like about $75, and it looks like I am losing.
We're passing 75 right now.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I tried to help and do my part, but as you can tell, mom life always wins.
So the machine charged $21, so we actually had 180.
Let me see, babe.
We
What you got?
161, 2, 3, 4, $164, which will get us 2 dinners, maybe, in Ireland.
Alright, well, we got our cash, but there's still a lot more I want to do for some extra spending money so that Colt doesn't really have to spend a dime on his birthday week. So another way that we are raising money or spending money is I'm having an Instagram sale, and I'm also selling some of my stuff on Poshmark. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw that I'm having a closet sale. I just have so much clothes, you guys. I figured, instead of taking it to Buffalo Exchange or Plato's Closet, I'd do a little Poshmark sale, and even better, an Instagram sale, which has been going really nice. Cha-ching! I love that sound. There it is. And you can see some of the stuff that I've already sold. And then people just pay me with Venmo. So no fees. That's just extra money that we can use for dinner or for souvenirs. Our money is on the way, baby.
Yeah, it's gonna feel like forever, you know?
Yeah, it'll take 3 days to get here. So most banks will allow you to order your foreign currency online and have it shipped straight to your door, and that's exactly what I did using my very own bank, Bank of America. I'm so excited because look what just came in. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm pretty sure that it's our money that we ordered online, our foreign currency. So let's open it, let's check it out. We didn't order a lot of cash because we wanted our funds to be protected in the event that they got lost or stolen. So I chose to use my PayPal MasterCard because I can transfer funds from the checking account as needed and all purchases would be protected. There is our money. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, we got our money. How exciting. Even better, I got to order Colt his own card under his own name so that we both had our own to use during the trip.
It's not recording.
Yeah, it is. I have to sneak record you because then you like won't be yourself and you'll be like, yeah, like that. Okay, so we got our cash from our side hustles, from our Instagram sales, from our jobs, and then we ordered our euros, so we're good to go. And now it's time to pack. We're gonna try to pack in a carry-on only and a backpack. Do you think you could do it, baby? Do you think you could do it?
I worry about whether or not you can do it.
I can do it. I can do it. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
I have a little bit packed already, just stuff I knew for sure I was gonna take. He's got a little bit packed already. I'm sure many of you have heard about a lot of packing methods to utilize the most space, but we chose to do what Colt calls military style packing, and that's where you roll your clothes up as tightly as you can and then pack them like 100 little tiny burritos.
You're gonna put that under the seat?
Yeah.
That'll fit under the seat?
Yeah. Do you want me to check the measurement? Has to be 18 by 14. Everything you need to know is always online. Personal item size. So both of our carry-ons are good. 18 by 14. We pretty much had to go to Walgreens because apparently you can only pack with one quart-sized bag. We'll see how that goes. Packing in a 1 quart sized bag would have been harder if I used one of those regular Ziploc bags, but as I mentioned, we chose to go to our local pharmacy and we made sure to buy one of those beauty bags that said TSA approved. This spared us a little more room, and luckily my hoarding of tiny containers spared us some more room.
I've seen every kind of love, I'm a fool in Technicolor, but now I wanna shine the shades of you. Just float on down, got me lying on the cloud, right here on the ground, but now
You guys aren't gonna believe me, but I packed for 10 days in a carry-on, and I have the entire space of my backpack. The upper portion, the bottom has my camera. After some pretty typical bag checks at TSA, we made it through with just a carry-on and a backpack each. Amazing. Now we can get comfortable on our 9-hour flight to London Heathrow, which then takes us to Dublin. Whew, this definitely deserves a drink. Cheers.
drifting on by, you know how I feel.
That's up there. In the left top corner.
Birds flying high.
There it is.
Sun in the sky.
It's coming towards
Papita time. They ran out of pasta, but beggars can't be choosers. Look at this fine cheddar. You're like living the dream.
living the dream. I'm over the Atlantic Ocean right now.
You guys, only 52 minutes left and we're there. We just got served our breakfast. guys, that's it for this episode, but meet us at the rental cars kiosk, because did I mention that price also included a rental car? And on episode 2, we're going to be taking a road trip throughout Ireland for 4 days. Then we're taking a round trip flight to Holland, Amsterdam to be exact, for another 4 days. And I can't wait to show you what we did. So thanks for watching our first episode. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and we'll see you for episode 2.